And one of the big differences between Tai Chi movements of well-being and normal Tai Chi is that you're not expected to get it right. Ideally, you will get it right over time, but it's practice, repeat until it's fully embodied. Tai Chi movements of well-being is exactly what it says. It's not learning Tai Chi, it's using Tai Chi. So by doing these movements, the emphasis is on the well-being rather than the movements themselves.
It's a lovely opportunity to experiment with drawing materials. And what we do is we don't have a preconceived idea of what we're going to be making drawings about, but we start by making marks and enjoying the materials and then slowly finding images in the marks that are there. So we learn to sort of give form to thoughts and ideas, and somehow we're tapping into the subconscious so that things perhaps arise that are quite surprising, really. Working with your own experience of life, your memories, things that present themselves.
Crystals very much are about developing spiritual awareness. You know, they make us reflect, but it's also stabilising our energy, and it's amplifying the intentions that we create. We'll say your energy maintenance is poor. It's really, you have to do something that you believe in, that's easy for you, and so it's different things for different people.
Another important aspect of the workshop for me is the fact that we spend some time doing some self-care and well-being. So we'll do some short meditations, because most of us spend our time looking after other people and being very busy, and we don't really dedicate a lot of time to ourselves. If you go away from the workshop having felt you've had a bit of a mini retreat, that you've had a chance to relax and unwind, but you've also had a chance to look at areas that are important to you and that you'd like to change going forward, then I think it's been a positive day.
So the workshop's called Calm the Anxious Mind, and in this workshop we're going to look at the reasons why we get anxious and stressed, and then we're going to use the ideas of mindfulness and meditation to help us to calm the anxious mind. So the people that are going on this workshop hopefully will come away with lots of tools and ideas of things that they can use in their everyday life to support them, to help them when they start feeling a bit stressed and anxious.
When we look at herbalism, and herbalism is thousands and thousands and thousands of years old. This is not something that has just popped up all of a sudden. In fact, a great percentage of the pharmaceutical products are based on herbs, plants, seeds, barks, roots, that are then either synthetically manufactured or other ingredients are added. When you look at traditional Chinese medicine, this is all based on herbs. You look at Ayurvedic medicine in the Indian tradition, all based on herbs. And in the West, we also have Western herbal medicine, which is based on herbs and scientific research. So yes, it's all very much based on science.